Foldable phones are revolutionizing the mobile industry, offering the perfect blend of innovation and convenience. In this video, we'll explore the latest models and their unique features, so get ready to unfold the future of smartphones. After testing and evaluating more than 20 models, we have selected 5 best options for all types of buyers, taking into account all the features that can help you make the right choice. For more detailed information, discounts and updated prices, check the links in the description below. If you find this video useful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss our future videos. So let's start with the first item on our list, which is Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5, a testament to the evolution of foldable technology, offering a sleeker, more robust user experience. Here's a comprehensive review of its features and characteristics. The Z Fold 5 boasts a thinner and lighter construction, making it more pocket-friendly and easier to handle. Its new flex hinge allows the device to fold perfectly flat, eliminating the gaps seen in previous models. Samsung has enhanced the main display to be brighter, providing vivid colors and deep contrasts that make visuals pop. However, the cover screen remains narrow, which might be a drawback for users seeking a more traditional smartphone experience when folded. Under the hood, the Z Fold 5 is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 mobile platform, ensuring snappy performance across all tasks. This chipset is a powerhouse, especially for gaming and multitasking. While the camera hardware remains unchanged from the Z Fold 4, it still delivers strong performance. The main camera array captures detailed and vibrant photos, though it falls slightly behind the competition, like the Google Pixel Fold. The Z Fold 5 shines in multitasking capabilities, with software enhancements that make switching between apps and running multiple tasks simultaneously a breeze. Battery life sees an improvement, ensuring that the device can last through a day of heavy use. However, the charging speed is still capped at 25 watts, which might not be fast enough for some users. The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 is a solid choice for those looking to dive into the foldable phone market. It offers a blend of high-end features and improvements over its predecessor, though it comes with a steep price tag. The device is ideal for tech enthusiasts and professionals who can make the most out of its expansive screen and multitasking capabilities. However, for those already owning a Z Fold 4, the upgrades might not justify the switch. The Z Fold 5 stands as a beacon of progress in the foldable segment, yet it leaves room for future enhancements, particularly in the realm of camera technology and charging speeds. Our next pick is Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 5, presenting a sleek and refined clamshell design that's both stylish and functional. With its Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chipset, this device stands as the most powerful clamshell foldable on the market, ensuring smooth performance across a variety of applications. One of the most notable improvements in the Z Flip 5 is its battery life, which has finally reached a point of practical usability, addressing one of the primary concerns of its predecessors. The versatile cover display has also seen enhancements, offering more interactive and useful features without the need to unfold the device. In terms of design, the Z Flip 5 has adopted a more minimalist approach, with colorways that might seem understated to some. However, this subtlety could be appealing to users looking for a device that doesn't scream for attention. Despite playing catch-up to its rivals in design, the Z Flip 5 holds its own with a build that's as durable as it is elegant, boasting an IPX8 rating and Gorilla Glass Victus 2 for enhanced protection. The outer display functionality, while improved, is still somewhat limited by default, and the app continuity between the inner and outer screens could be better. Yet, these are minor quibbles in what is otherwise a solid offering from Samsung. Camera-wise, the Z Flip 5 doesn't make any groundbreaking strides but provides a reliable photographic experience that should satisfy the average user. The 12-megapixel rear and 10-megapixel front-facing cameras deliver quality shots, although those seeking a more advanced camera system may need to look elsewhere. In conclusion, the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 5 represents a significant leap forward for the series. It offers the best performance and software support in its category, with a promise of long-term updates. While there's still room for improvement, particularly in the camera department and battery life, the Z Flip 5 is a compelling choice for anyone interested in diving into the world of foldables without compromising on performance or style. Our next pick is Google Pixel Fold, a groundbreaking entry into the foldable phone market, combining Google's renowned software prowess with innovative hardware design. This device aims to redefine the smartphone experience by offering a versatile form factor that caters to both productivity and entertainment needs. The Pixel Fold features a sleek and sturdy design, with a premium build quality that feels solid in hand. The hinge mechanism is smooth and robust, allowing for seamless transitions between folded and unfolded states. When folded, the device is compact and pocket-friendly, while unfolding reveals a large, immersive display. The Pixel Fold boasts a 7.6-inch OLED main display with a resolution of 2208 by 1840 pixels, delivering vibrant colors and deep blacks. The outer display is a 5.8-inch OLED panel, perfect for quick tasks and notifications. Both screens support a 120 Hz refresh rate, ensuring smooth scrolling and responsive touch interactions. Powered by Google's custom Tensor G2 chip, the Pixel Fold offers top-tier performance. This processor, combined with 12 GB of RAM, ensures that multitasking, gaming, and demanding applications run smoothly. The device also supports 5G connectivity, providing fast and reliable internet speeds. The Pixel Fold continues Google's tradition of excellent camera performance. It features a triple camera setup on the back. Google's advanced computational photography algorithms enhance image quality, delivering stunning photos in various lighting conditions. The Pixel Fold is equipped with a 4,500 mAh battery, which provides all-day battery life under typical usage. It supports fast charging, wireless charging, and reverse wireless charging, offering flexibility in how you power up your device. Running on Android 13, the Pixel Fold offers a clean and intuitive user interface. Google's software optimizations for foldable devices enhance the user experience, with features like split-screen multitasking and app continuity between the inner and outer displays. The Google Pixel Fold is a compelling choice for those looking to embrace the future of smartphones. Its combination of innovative design, powerful performance, and exceptional camera capabilities make it a standout device in the foldable phone market. Whether you're a tech enthusiast or a productivity-focused user, the Pixel Fold is designed to meet your needs and exceed your expectations. Number 4 on our list is OnePlus Open, a standout in the foldable phone market, offering a blend of innovative design, powerful performance, and advanced features. Released in October 2023, this device aims to compete with other high-end foldables like the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 and the Google Pixel Fold. The OnePlus Open features a sleek and lightweight design, weighing between 239 grams and 245 grams depending on the variant. It boasts a dual-model display setup with a 7.82-inch main screen and a 6.31-inch cover screen. Both displays support a 120 Hz refresh rate and peak brightness of 2800 nits, ensuring vibrant and smooth visuals. The device is also IPX4 splash resistant, adding a layer of durability. Under the hood, the OnePlus Open is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chipset, paired with 16 GB of RAM and 512 GB of UFS 4.0 storage. This combination ensures top-tier performance, capable of handling multitasking and demanding applications with ease. The device runs on Oxygen OS 14 based on Android 13, upgradable to Android 14, providing a smooth and customizable user experience. The OnePlus Open excels in photography with its triple camera setup. The camera system is enhanced by Hasselblad color calibration, ensuring accurate and vibrant colors. The device is equipped with a 4,805 mAh battery that supports 67-watt fast charging, capable of charging from 0 to 100% in just 42 minutes. This ensures that users can quickly get back to using the device without long downtimes. The OnePlus Open includes stereo speakers with Dolby Atmos support, providing an immersive audio experience. It also features a side-mounted fingerprint sensor, NFC, and advanced connectivity options like Wi-Fi 7 and Bluetooth 5.3. The OnePlus Open is a compelling choice for those looking for a foldable phone that doesn't compromise on performance, design, or features. Its robust camera system, powerful hardware, and sleek design make it a strong contender in the foldable market overall. The OnePlus Open is a well-rounded device that offers a premium experience, making it worth considering for anyone in the market for a foldable smartphone. For updated prices, click the link in the description below. And the last one on our list is Honor Magic V2, a cutting-edge foldable smartphone that combines innovative design with powerful performance. Released in July 2023, this device stands out in the competitive smartphone market with its impressive features and sleek aesthetics. The Honor Magic V2 boasts a foldable LTPO OLED display, measuring 7.92 inches when unfolded, with a resolution of 2156 by 2344 pixels. This provides a vibrant and immersive viewing experience, enhanced by HDR10+ and IMAX enhanced technologies. The cover display is equally impressive, featuring a 6.43-inch LTPO OLED screen with a resolution of 1060 by 2376 pixels. The device is remarkably thin and weighs between 231 and 237 grams, depending on the model. Under the hood, the Honor Magic V2 is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chipset, paired with 16 GB of RAM. This combination ensures smooth multitasking and efficient performance. The device runs on Android 13 with Magic OS 7.2, offering a user-friendly interface and a host of customization options. Photography enthusiasts will appreciate the triple camera setup on the Honor Magic V2. This versatile camera system supports 4K video recording and features optical image stabilization for sharp and clear images. The device is equipped with a 5000 mAh silicon-carbon dual battery, which provides ample power for a full day of use. It supports 66-watt wired charging, ensuring that the battery can be quickly replenished. Additionally, the device offers 5W reverse wired charging, allowing it to charge other devices. The device is available in several colors, including black, silk purple, and gold. In summary, the Honor Magic V2 is a premium foldable smartphone that excels in design, performance, and versatility. Its advanced features and sleek design make it a compelling choice for tech enthusiasts and professionals alike. That's all for now. Please leave a comment and let us know which product category would you like to see the next video about. See you in the next one.